dear colleagues. This past Saturday, 2 people were violently attacked in Thessaloniki by a mob of close to 200 people, including minors. Only because they were trans, they had to fear for their lives and flee into a restaurant where they then again were attacked. In ILGA Europe's annual review, it was made clear that last year there was again a stark rise in hateful and polarizing language against our community, and because of that, a rise in violent attacks. And I therefore want to make a request for a Commission statement with the title, Rising Anti-LGBTIQ Rhetoric and Violence, Recent Attacks in Thessaloniki, without resolution.
Okay, thank you very much. Oh yes, Mr. Iljic.
Okay, dear colleagues, of course I condemn every violence against LGBT people, and I hope that all of us condemn every kind of violence. Still, we have a discussion about LGBT people every month, and in the same time, for a few times, we had proposals to debate persecuted Christians. So hundreds of people were killed just because of they are Christian, and you have always voted against these discussions. So I wonder, what do you think if every life have the same value, if there should be some balance in our discussions, or you think that when 2 homosexuals are attacked, it is more important than when hundreds of people are killed because they are Christians? So that is just my question.
Okay. All right. So